this version of their rotation in the past. Tots Carlos will be playing as an outside hitter. Michelle Gumaba will play opposite.
And the Cool Smashers kick it off.
The middle of the standings in Pool B, and I'm sure they're not used to this feeling. Sanay sila na nasa top top 2 at the very least. But again, teams have been
Looking for their second straight win. Meantime, Cool Smashers, their loss snapped a 2-game winning streak. Schwan, what a dig for Gaston. Vicar to Batista. Good pass there. A little 1-2 magic doesn't work for the Cool Smashers. Chance ball here. Carlos Negrito running attack. And the save by Vicar is no good.
wasn't able to redirect the ball properly pabalik sa court ng Creamline.
So Panaga with
Time and space si Uni Batista to think of her next move.
And the coverage going away from the second touch.
The first set.
But right now, Tigo EV crossovers are with the lead. Short serve, much better pass. Galang. Schwan picks it up. Negrito out to Carlos. Blocked, but it stays in. Coverage is there for the Cool Smashers, and everything they're hitting just finds the floor.
Cherry EV crossovers.
Even after the timeout, the run
Always
continues.
have to claim their balls.
Over eagerness to keep it alive. Good pass. Gumabaw. Maranyo now a chance to tie. Vicar. Oh, a rejection! Pangs Panaga, what a way to finish it off, stopping the run. This point brought to you by Myra. Be Vita Brighter with Myra's vitamin-powered whitening lotion. Just when all hope looked lost, Panaga. 1-point game again. Negrito to Gumabaw. Bounces it off the block. Nierva goes to Mylene Pat. She has the hot hand. This time turned away. Pangs Panaga picking up where she left off. Brought to you by Elastoseal. Selyado ang bubong anumang panahon. Great serving by Vicar. And hit. There's a touch on the Panaga point. 3 points today. Yep, it is her lowest scoring match so far. Panaga, one-handed dig for Nierva as we kick things off here in set number 4. Batista rejected by Pangs Panaga.
To win once again. What we don't see behind the scenes is that the Cool Smashers are working on their inconsistencies in training. They're blocking, defense, passing, and transition.
Gaston is a point shy from another double-digit performance. Panaga tries again. This time finds the range.
Same play, same angle, better execution from Pangs.
You didn't get it the first time, we'll make you do it again. 11 points for Panaga. Big exhale before the serve for Negrito. Schwan looking for 26. Robles. Popped up by Negrito. Schwan again. Batista with the dig. Robles. Off speed, easy dig for Negrito. Batista with the easy over. Gumabaw meantime. Battle at the net. Panaga puts it away. The entire rally. Cherry was on the defensive. Great serve. Schwan, drop shot. Galang was right there expecting it. Ooh. A miscommunication there. Ended up in a free ball. And Panaga now with her best game of the conference.
And ganun talaga pag combination play sa gitna, hindi pwedeng hindi mapagalaw yung ibang blockers.
Meantime, Panaga has to the attack faults. Let's see if that allows Cherry EV crossovers to get back in this game. The 3 points they're getting. Oh, but Panaga, after the net touch. Robles. Oh. I mean, how good is the blocking of the Cool Smashers? Gotta be in double digits already in blocking. We'll check that.
Pangs Panaga with
That's right.
to finalize the standings in Pool B, but one thing's for sure, they're in a good position.
This Babad Player of the Game brought to you by Devant. Enjoy unforgettable TV Babad moments with your family. Only with Devant. Pangs Panaga, 60 points. Best scoring game for her in the reinforced conference. That comes with 5 blocks as well. And she is sitting right now with Jules Israel.
Eric and Neil, I'm here with Pangs Panaga who put up 16 points, 10 attacks, 5 blocks, and 1 ace. Congratulations, Pangs Panaga and the Creamline Cool Smashers. Dikit yung laban ng unang 3 sets. Anong adjustments yung ginawa ninyo para kumalas na dun sa 4th set natin today?
Una sa lahat, in-enjoy lang talaga namin yung game and talagang sinunod na namin yung mga instructions ng mga coaches and nilaro lang talaga namin yung game namin.
Kitang-kita namin yung enjoyment sa laro ninyo. Anong pakiramdam na nakabawi na kayo today at tuloy-tuloy na ba to galing sa Creamline Cool Smashers?
Hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy na to and talagang binawi namin yung loss namin from the last game.
At may gusto ka bang pasalamatan at batiin sa panalo ninyo ngayon today?
Una-una sa lahat, thank you sa Creamline fans, sa mga naniniwala at sumusuporta. And thank you sa Creamline Management, kay Sir Joe, Sir Alan, Attorney, Ma'am Liz Ann, and sa Creamline Management. And hello po sa family ko sa Bataan.
Maraming salamat at congratulations once again, Pangs Panaga. You heard it from her. Now let's wrap it up, Eric and Neil.